Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. In today's video we're going to be looking at paragraph tags and how we can use them to write text on our web page. So now you may be thinking, what do we really need paragraph tags for? Because if you write some text in your code editor and open it up in Chrome, you see that the text looks normal, and even if we put this text into a paragraph tag, you will notice that nothing actually changes when we refresh. So you may now be asking, what do we now need paragraph tags for? Well, first of all, let's remove these paragraph tags. Let's say you want to put some text on another line. You may think that once you just click enter and type in that text, there is some other text, and go to your browser and refresh, you may think that that text is supposed to be on another line, but that is not how it works in HTML, because the browser doesn't regard the white spaces given, and by white spaces I mean this space that we left. So how can we do this? Well, the way to do it is using paragraph tags, and there are actually two ways of putting text on another line. So now that I've put all this text in paragraphs, when we go back to our web page and refresh, now they should be on two separate lines in two separate paragraphs. But you may now want to have some text in a paragraph but want it to break off at some point. Let's say you have, here is some, then you want the text to break off into another line at other text. Well, you can also do that in HTML without using the paragraph tag. So we're going to first of all create a new paragraph, then add some text. So here is some text with a line break. So now let's say we want to break off the text at here is some text. We can do that using the line break tag, which is BR. And the BR tag is an example of one of the tags in HTML that don't have a closing tag. So with this BR tag, when you go back to your browser and refresh, after here is some text, it should break off into a new line, then with a line break. So if you look at these three examples of text now, you will notice that with these first two, with that paragraph tag, we have the text, then a gap, then the second text. But using the line break, we have the first line of text, then the second line of text without any gap in between them. So those are the two ways of having text on different lines and the major use of the paragraph tag in HTML. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at how we can format text using some HTML tags. So I'll see you in that video.